Okay, now I am going to show you how to solve polynomial equation by using scientific calculator. Okay, for example 1, iterative function 1 given to you x cubed plus 3x squared minus 1 equal to 0. So you need to write the function into the form of gx. We get the function of gx, which is x equal to 1 minus x cubed divided by 3 power of half. Okay, now by using scientific calculator, we put the function of gx, which is (1 minus x power of 3 divide by 3 power of 1 over 2. Okay, after you put the function, you click calculate. Calculate. Then put initial value, which is 0.5. Then click equal. Okay, this is your x1. x1 equal to 0.540. Okay, after that you continue to find the value of x2 by click calculate, then click answer. After that equal. Okay, your value for x2, which is 0.530. You continue until you get the same value with the previous one. Click calculate, click answer, then equal. Is your x3 0.533. Okay, for x4 calculate, answer, and equal 0.532. Continue again, calculate, answer, equal. x5 equal to 0.532. So as you look here, the value of x4 and x5 is equal, so you can stop because you get the answer, or you get the root for this polynomial equation, which no more error. So your final answer, x equal to 0.532. That's all. Thank you.